Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video with a special guest. I decided not to do a Valentine's Day makeup and have him do it instead because Valentine's my least favorite holiday. Why is it? Is it your favorite holiday?
No.
Let's explain why Valentine's is our least favorite holiday first. I feel like you should tell the other person you love them year round and not have to spend a lot of money one day a year. It's so much pressure. How do you feel?
I just don't care at times.
About Valentine's?
Yeah. But we're doing something special.
Yeah.
We try to do something a little special. Not like, oh, let's go to a fancy restaurant or, you know, anything like that. We actually try to do stuff like we go together where we're not going to be sitting on our phones like the entire time.
We're gonna eat pizza and play Legos. Anyways, we couldn't even wait to open up our Valentine's Day present, so we opened it a week early, and I thought I would have Corey, since it's like any other day for us, do a makeup on me. And I'm gonna have him follow someone else's makeup tutorial. So we're following Rawbeautykristi's makeup tutorial because it's super, not easy, but it's not complicated. And she's a great makeup artist. So I bought the palette that we're gonna use today. Went to your favorite store. Have you been to Sephora? Have I taken you there?
I've been there once with you.
So I bought this palette for you to try. It's the Huda Beauty Nude Rich. It looks like chocolate.
It does. It looks like scales.
So you're gonna use this is your tool that you're gonna use and follow her makeup tutorial called Playing with the Huda Beauty Rich Nude Eyeshadow Palette. So that's what we're gonna do. And it gave me an excuse to buy makeup.
And you say I waste money.
Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Here you go. You have to follow her tutorial.
I'll sell this to the highest bidder.
No. How much do you think that was, first of all?
80 bucks.
Really? For that little thing?
I've seen you buy tiny small palettes that are worth like looks like they're almost worth $3,000.
No, it was less than $32.
Still for a tiny thing like that.
So in that previous video where I did it, I started off with the shade that was in the other palette. I want to start with this one and just run it throughout my crease so there is a color on my eye and it's not just like just down here. I do want some color up into my crease and on my lid because I want it to get like deeper and deeper as we go.
I'm just gonna see which one she picks and then
Oh, those are dirty ones.
Are these all clean?
These are all clean. You can choose any one. Should you disinfect your hands? I love you.
Love you too. Okay, so she's only doing the top.
So you're grabbing the top left shadow. Oh, this would be good because it's not bright colors either, so if you make a mistake, it won't look too crazy.
Yeah.
Have you ever done your little sister's makeup?
Nope.
That'd be a great video.
I think she would love that.
I'm actually surprised how gentle you are.
I'm dealing with your eyes, babe. I don't want to poke your eyes out.
Are my eyelids too tiny of a canvas for you because I'm Asian?
No. It's actually good because it helps like me stay in the lines. I don't get too like greedy.
I didn't exfoliate this morning. I did yesterday. I didn't want to overdo it and I really should have. I did moisturizer and stuff, but it was the same. They don't look the same in my monitor. Well, they do in real life. Okay, this was the brush that I used for my brows. This is a MAC brush with literally any brush, but I cannot find a dupe for this brush or an angled brow brush in any of my brushes. I don't know where it went. I used to have the Zoeva winged liner brush or whatever, and I cannot find it. So just know I did try. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Take that on this little brush, and I'm gonna map out sort of what I want to do for that wing. I'm gonna start here.
She's doing like a wing, I'm guessing.
Turn this way. So it won't destroy your eyes. Jesus Christ, it's actually
falling because you kept going like that.
Yeah. Is there a way to get rid of that?
Yeah, you just get like a big floofy brush. Just swipe. See?
Okay. I'm trying to be gentle so I don't
It's alright.
destroy your eyelid.
You won't destroy my eyelid. Can you imagine doing this on people for a living?
That.
Your technique is so cute.
What? I'm trying not to f up.
Remember that one? Was it Valentine's Day you bought me fake eyelashes and a highlighter palette?
Mm-hmm.
A bit more. But if you just utilize the actual shape of the brush and like use that flat edge to your advantage, so much easier.
Oh.
Next video, I am going to repair Corey's car watching YouTube videos.
Basically made an arrow out of it.
Mm-hmm.
So she brought it out to here, then brought it back into here. God, I am awful at this.
I want to do drag makeup on you so bad.
You already did.
That was just regular makeup.
Yeah, you're not doing drag makeup on me. I'm not getting that close to your eye.
Take a little pointed brush as well and really get in there.
Her boyfriend listens to metal. Her boyfriend, her husband. And they forage for mushrooms in the forest.
She's like, get in there.
Did you hear about the new documentary about McDonald's that I want to see? There's only one episode so far.
No, what is it about?
You remember when McDonald's had that Monopoly game?
Yeah.
It was a whole scam in how McDonald's built that up to make millions. It's so interesting, I heard. I want to watch it. Would you watch it with me?
Yeah, I'll see what not. I'm so sorry.
We're halfway done.
Okay, now what I want to do is I want to take that same brush and I want to take a darker shade, which is this bottom guy down here. And I'm going to dip into that and coat both sides of my brush, run it along closer to my lash line, and then I'm going to kind of try to blend those two together.
I feel so bad because now I'm waving on both sides and she was like, you must do it this way. I'm just like,
Yeah, that's like taking away a lot of the product. Aren't you happy I did my face makeup first?
absolutely.
It would take so long for you to do all of it. I like how you're using my nose as like support so you don't mess up.
Like I said, I don't want to like bend forward and like, you know, like hit you in the eye.
Next video, you do my makeup and pick out my clothes and we go on a date together.
Yeah. I'd probably just be like, then wipe it off and then be like, all natural. As I prefer you.
Or you just get cream, eyeshadow, and lipstick and be like, done. Would you go on a date with me?
No. I put way too much of that darker tone. You look like you got like a...
Black eye?
Yeah. It almost looks like tiger stripes.
I have to fart.
Leave this room.
I'll hold it.
No! Leave this room!
No, I'm fine. I'm gonna drink some of your drink.
Lately, what I've been discovering when doing my makeup is that powder products sometimes are just easier to work with than liquid, especially
See,
when you
you're
can,
doing
like,
the easy
gently build them
method.
up and stamp them on, kind of how we're doing right now. I've been doing my brows with powder products.
Next video, I teach you how to play the Lorien and Phrygian scales on the guitar. And I play you the classic blues, pentatonic, major scale, minor scale. I teach you all that, and you have exactly 10 minutes to get it completely right. And to play at my speed.
That has nothing to do with makeup, so. Let's figure out a way for it to involve makeup.
Powder products for the last few times, and I think that's what I'm going to go back to. It's just so much easier.
I feel like she has so much
Use
eyelid
eyeshadow,
space.
you do not need some specific brow product for it.
I wonder if those are
Pause.
natural freckles.
Okay, now that we've gotten that point, these wings are totally like not perfectly matched. I think it'll be fine once we get things going. Run those.
That one was
shades
bigger
on
than
lower
the last
lash line
one.
up
How's it
into that,
little?
So it's less like.
Because like those type of brushes are usually that big, but she has a little one like this. Actually, maybe even smaller than that. She might have like this.
Okay. What color are you using?
This one.
Once we get things going. So I'm going to take this little brush. This is the Morphe M506. Not purposefully using Morphe. It's just what I've got here. I'm going to use this one and I'm going to run those shades on my lower lash line up into that so it's less like super harsh like this.
The same shade she used for the liner. Like those and that.
So I just mix it up. I'll put the dark one first and then I'll put the light one.
Okay.
You legitimately look like you just got punched in the eye.
My Chemical Romance or Injury CSI?
No idea.
You know My Chemical Romance, the Helena?
I
It's
know
like these
my.
colors?
I know of My Chemical Romance.
It's so good.
I prefer Death Metal.
So long and good night.
God,
I should have wore a suit and not curled my hair. Look like him.
No, thank you. What time is it?
Do I look like I need sleep?
You look like you need like
Therapy?
trauma care.
Did you say my eyes was the first thing you noticed about me?
Do you have another one of these for the
Yeah.
Well, let me get rid of the extra. Yeah, you look like you were you just got to the police station after an abusive relationship.
It would be interesting for me to do is a Squidbilly makeup.
Now get on that bar, man!
Don't touch the trim.
The grandma always cracks me up.
Oh the aunt when she had an illegal drug business in the basement.
Yeah.
And she pretended like she was passed out in her own vomit.
Wasn't the sheriff like actually cooking it with him?
No, remember he had those weird minions that looked like him and they were just working for her with the skins?
Yeah.
I've been getting unknown calls, which makes me frightened because I did a tweet last night about my conspiracy theory about how we're actually in a virtual reality.
We're not in a virtual reality.
And that when we see paranormal things or ghosts, that's the void in between us, like thinning. He thinks I'm insane.
I do think you're insane.
Then why are you with me?
You keep life interesting, for good or worse. And plus, you treat me better than anyone else ever has.
Yeah, but Hannibal Lecter keeps life interesting and makes people fava beans.
Another brush, the cleaner brush.
Like a floofy one?
Yeah. Good God.
What?
Pink.
Pink's a powerful color. You know, pink was for men as a color before it was for women.
Pink was considered masculine. And then that kind of pink turned into, it switched around, and then red turned to more of a power color.
She looks like she's trying to blind herself.
She's gonna take her eye and just right in there.
Then you stab your retinas.
Take some of that darker shade and do the same thing, but really right up close to the lash line.
You already did that.
Yeah. You actually look like a traumatized domestic abuse victim. Let's blend it in, as she said. Oh my God! What have I turned you into?
The Walking Dead.
Oh, much worse. Adulthood.
Isn't it weird that we're like, what is that sound when we live here now? It's like, oh, that's a bird or a cicada.
Oh my God, is that nature?
What's with all the sunshine and happiness?
Exactly. We could breathe so much better.
I'll do a little bit of shimmer, like a teeny little bit of shimmer somewhere, like on the inner corner. I think I want to use this palette though. This is the light palette, and this shade is so beautiful. I think I'm going to try to take that on like a little tiny pointed brush.
I have a
This is
color
one of the
like
ones
that,
from
though.
the Milk
Is that what you want?
Cosmetics collection.
Oh, all she's doing is adding glitter.
Yeah, so you just use that top light glitter.
Alright.
Want a little brush?
Yeah.
Quick, what's your favorite top 3 Disney movies? Can't be Star Wars.
This is Star Wars. No, Disney destroyed Star Wars. Unless you're talking about Mandalorian. Treasure Island.
I thought that wasn't Disney.
No, that's Disney.
I've never seen it.
No, it has the same kind of animation as Emperor's New Groove. I like that animation. I wish they'd bring it back, like Treasure Island, Lost City of Atlantis,
Never seen it.
El Dorado.
I saw a long time ago.
Yeah, but I like that style, like animation. But now Disney wants to stick with 3D, and it's like, oh, come on, really?
Tangled wasn't a bad animation. I just don't like this new design of the females with the gigantic eyeballs the size of like bowling balls.
Oh, like anime. Yeah, I think it started with either Tangled or Frozen, and then all of a sudden all the Disney princesses had to look like that.
Right.
Stupid.
My favorite is to sing to Corey the music from it because he hates it. To sing you the new Disney princess songs.
No, thank you.
I'm going to toss a pair of lashes on and we shall be right back. Alright, so here we are with lashes on. These
Then
are
that's
some
it.
lashes
Lashes,
from
right?
Nikita
Yeah.
Joy.
So she did liner and lashes and that's it. I'll do the liner and lashes. Want me to look at it first or do...
Oh, God.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my...
Ma'am, who punched you in the mouth?
I look like I have the coronavirus. I look like I haven't slept in forever.
Like I said, you look like an abuse
I'm gonna
victim.
still put on this liner and these eyelashes. I'm still gonna put them on. Tell them more about yourself, Corey, while I put on my eyelashes. Or funny moments about me that they might not know that isn't offensive or will embarrass me.
I'll have to rack my brain for that.
What is it like living with me?
Stressful.
Really?
Not really, no. No, it's like a lot of the stuff I'm used to eating, I can't eat anymore because, you know, with your allergies to food.
Yeah, but I don't make tomato bisque soup or a
No. Oh, no. I only recently started developing allergies towards like tomato paste.
I know, but still. Yeah, he's allergic to tomato paste and I'm allergic to rice, wheat, gluten, bread stuff.
Basically everything on the bottom part of the food pyramid.
Right.
She can't have any of that. So, but she makes it work with good food, but like every once in a while I like to indulge.
Well, I'm having pizza on Valentine's, so.
Mm-hmm.
You've been staring at that pizza like...
Every time I open up that freezer to get some ice from the water, I'm just like, it'd be so good if I just took that and cooked it right now.
If it was up to you, you would eat 5 days a week pizza.
Yeah, but at the same time, I know that would actually kill me.
I don't know. I feel like there's people out there that eats chicken nuggets, pizza, and mac and cheese, and that's it.
I like variety. That's why I love living with you.
That's helping.
Oh yeah, the lashes actually kind of like distract it.
What else is it like living with me?
When you know you start getting stressed out, everybody starts getting stressed out.
How is it that when I'm stressed out and I'm quiet about it, people still know?
Because everybody's used to seeing you smile and try to be talkative and whatnot. Oh, here's one's coming out on the side. You gotta jam it up in there.
And liner.
Yeah, I'll let her do that because I almost jammed her in the eye last time I tried to do that.
All right, this is the finished look.
You look like you just got off a date and you were at the end of the date, you were crying super hard.
I look like I'm trying to do a Halloween look.
I'm so spooky.
I actually used the concealer that's like water resistant in case I teared up too much. This is the finished look. Leave us a comment down below on what other video we should film. I brought Corey back. What other videos would you like to see us in? Subscribe for more videos like this. I do 2 videos a week every Monday and Friday. We have to say bye. Is there anything else you want to tell the folks at home? Enjoy your Valentine's Day. It doesn't matter if you're with someone or not. Pizza, candy, enjoy movies. Self-love could be Valentine's Day. Buying yourself nice things for self-care. Taking a bubble bath. You're so rude.
See, I'm not rude. I didn't burp in your face.
Yeah, I burp and blow it in your face.
You do. In the car, her burp smells as worse as my farts.
Stop exposing me. Alright guys, we will see you in another video hopefully. Have a great day. Bye. What? You act like you don't like your beard scratched.
You like my beard scratched, but I just combed it down.
Oh, sorry. Awkward.
It just flipped. Like it.
Ghosts.
Mm,
What?
whatever. I don't believe in ghosts. I love you.
Love you. Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. I hope I have the microphone on.
We're so completely different, but we're so made for each other at the same time.
How?
Because the gaps that we have in our personalities, we mesh in, we fill in those gaps. Piggy, my name's Cat, and I have OCD.
I don't have OCD.
No,
I wish I had lipstick on. I'd mess up your face.
no, please no.
Okay.
We followed Rawbeautykristi's video, so check her out if you haven't checked her out. Go do your homework. Eat your vegetables. Get off the phone. Do your chores. Respect your elders. Pat your dog. Walk your dog. Bye.